right, everybody, welcome back again to the KSR YouTube channel, where we are headed to Gainesville Raceway to go test SoccerMom. You might notice that I don't have the car behind me. That's because Will, CJ, and Kimber are already out here at the track, and Will is going to be making the shakedown runs in it tonight. It's actually been a while since either Will or Kimber has driven the car, so they're going to go make some rips in it. Hopefully we can get Kimber in it too. Probably depends on whether or not he brought his fire suit and stuff. But I think that's old Kimber right there, as a matter of fact. But it's been a while since we've been out here to Gainesville Raceway. This is one of their Fast Friday events, and hopefully they get us a pretty good track. If you guys haven't heard, Sick Week starts and ends at Gainesville next year. So that's super exciting. It means we're probably going to have a few parties at the shop. So if you're planning to come to Sick Week, plan on making a stop by KSR. But for now, let's go get into the track and see if we can get Will ready to go race. Oh, Willie's doing some driving today. Oh, I forget how good it looks with that new nose piece on it. She looks like a race car now. Do what? Oh, okay. Shoo, that's a good looking race car. All right, well, Eddie and I need to go sign off and get armbands, because if we're going to go up there on the starting line to watch, we've got to sign the track paperwork so that we basically sign away we take on the responsibility if we get injured, something like that. I don't know. But we want to be up close to bring you guys some good videos. So, but I mean, we're just 5:30 racing. Did you bring the draggy?
I did.
Sweet. All right, cool.
Prepared.
All right. Next clip in the burnout box. I'll probably put him right back in his groove.
Oh, forgot my visor. Rookie. It's been a while since I've been in a car, man. Been a while. Fun.
Willie, I'd say we're pretty close.
Not too shabby for out of the box, huh?
No, looks that's our first run with that stator in it. Got a little bit of RPM drop, but
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
okay. So what's the drop, like 800? Look at it, tug it down there in the middle.
Yeah. We just didn't have any. We didn't put any boost.
So basically 8,000.
I backed up the shift point 100 RPMs, I think.
8,000 to still 1,200, 1,300.
Yeah.
Dang. Well, it's a lot better than the 2,000 it was last time we were running 530s. So we went at 19 on 21 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
22 pounds of boost.
I think we had a dome with 25, right?
Yeah.
Target dome 25.
Yeah, I think we'd probably take 4 out of the dome, run 21 the whole run.
We want to.
136 miles an hour.
We only need to kill 10.
Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna mull through the data a little bit. All right, well, since we can't really learn a whole lot,
You're putting CJ in the car!
we're putting CJ in the car.
CJ in the car! Oh, shoot!
So CJ's never driven a turbo car,
Nope.
so he's never bumped in.
Probably
So
the fastest pass I ever made.
probably be the fastest pass you ever make.
If Tuner
So
did his job right.
well,
Tuner didn't do his job right the last
so
time.
from 2/10 on, it's got 0 dome. So it's gonna
Oh,
it's
okay.
gonna launch and then that's it. Pretty much. So if anything feels weird or you mess up on the starting line, just stop and back up.
Okay.
Like even if you like jump through the beams or something like that, jam this sucker in reverse and keep on going.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yep. Gloves.
Alright, see you.
It should be on. It's on, but it don't need it. It's got enough in the system, it'll make target moves on the lawn. Alright, big dog, have fun.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all, our boy CJ's a little nervous. We'll see how he does bumping in for the first time. You know, if he messes up, it's part of the game. It's all good. It is all good, but as long as he has some fun, kind of be cool. CJ! That was awesome.
That was sick.
Oh, that was fun.
That was a long time coming, right?
Yeah. Yeah, now we start tuning him up. I heard it playing with the two-step. It kept raising it. So maybe it wasn't all the way there. I didn't change that.
I wonder if it's a
It was open. No, I opened it. All right, so we'll go back and look at some data, and then I got to go pick up my kids from gym, and then we'll see if maybe they want to run again. I don't know. Yeah! Oh, geez, watch out for the truck. Is that an SC300? Oh, it is an SC300. Woohoo! Yeah. Awesome job, CJ.
Good job, CJ.
Huh?
That was really cool.
Good job.
12.8. You did that just perfectly.
Yeah. Nice job, CJ.
Thank you.
Did it feel a little boring after 60 feet, or it was still freaking you
It
out?
felt cool the whole way. Converter
All right,
up.
now turn it up.
Oh, that was fun. I got a video of me in the car with my hand.
Shaking?
The whole phone was shaking.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll go snatch the data out of it real quick, and I'll grab my camera. Actually, I won't, in case I don't know if y'all are gonna stay longer because I gotta go.
Nah, probably.
Eddie and I are going to the Waffle Home.
We going to the Waffle Home.
Going to the Waffle House. Well, you can celebrate. CJ went fast. Wonder,
Just buying.
did you get your slip?
Not yet.
Okay. All right, well, we're gonna.
Did you have it set up to automatically shift?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, it's taking a really long time, so I went ahead and shifted it.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you that.
I saw red on the shift light, and I shifted.
Oh yeah, it don't shift to like 8,000, so it's way on up there. All right, so we put CJ to a 618 at 110 miles an hour. Probably your quickest 8th mile, right?
Oh yeah, quickest pass by far. Quickest quarter mile too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't even break any rules because you didn't run 9s without a license, so we're all good.
Excellent work, my boy.
Let's see, what kind of boost did we run here? Target Dome 0, boost 4.1 pounds of boost. Like it was 3.7, 3.6, 4.0, 3.7,
You don't have a lift open now,
3.6.
do you? At the shop?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
I was thinking about maybe bringing it down Sunday.
There's a trailer in the way. Yeah. Unless you want to move it first, but. Well, not bad, CJ. Had a good time, eh?
Yeah,
That made the trip worth it.
yeah, that was fun.
And I'll have to leave some boost in it next time.
Yeah, that would be
See if we can really freak you out.
That scared me already. But I don't think I chicken footed it at all.
I don't think you did.
Which the pedal's kind of far away for me, anyway.
Let's see. We got to check the chicken foot. Do we have TPS on this? TPS. Oh no, he pinned it the whole run.
Yeah.
Oh, but you weren't wide open until you let go of the button. Yeah, so there's your TPS, the green one there.
Okay.
You came off of the throttle. That's why it was probably it wasn't fully up on the two-step.
Gotcha.
And then you did pin it before you let go of it though. So that's all good.
He's probably trying to remember all the shit to do.
Yeah, there was a lot to do.
There's a lot to remember.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. I got to buzz out of here and go pick up my youngest from gymnastics. Fun night at the racetrack. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.